Welcome to today's SolidWorks tutorial, where we'll be creating a 3D model from scratch. Completed model by the end of this tutorial. Let's dive right in. First, let's select the top plane and initiate the sketch command. Place a circle on the origin point. And draw two circles of different diameters. Using smart dimensions, set the smaller circle to 40 mm and the larger one to 60 mm. Now, head to the Features tab and choose the Extruded Base Boss command. Set the distance to 60 mm and click OK to create the base. Moving on, select the upper plane of the circle. Sketch a center line from the origin. And draw a center rectangle starting from the origin. Set the dimensions to a height of 15 mm and a length of 60 mm. Use the line command to connect the circle and rectangle. Then mirror the line at a distance of 5 mm from the center line. Once your sketch is complete, activate the Extruded Base Boss command again, with a height of 60 mm, and click OK. Returning to the base, overlay a circle of 60 mm. Convert the entities into feet. And use the Extruded Cut command to cut the sketch up to 15 mm. Now, sketch a corner rectangle of 15 mm height. And use the Extruded Base Boss feature with up to next direction. Click Oklahoma to confirm. Moving on, select the top plane again. Sketch two circles, one of 20 mm diameter and one of 30 mm. Connect them with lines and make them tangent. Trim the circle in half and use the extruded base boss command with a height of 15 millimeters. On the front plane, sketch a center line from the origin. Then use the corner rectangle tool. Apply an offset condition of 30 millimeters and a distance of 25 millimeters. Click Oklahoma to complete the sketch. Select the plane and sketch a geometry using the line command. Apply the extruded cut feature and click OK. Rotate the model and sketch on the backside. Draw a center line from the origin and sketch to circles. Set the dimensions to 16 millimeters diameter for both circles. With a center distance of 35 millimeters and 15 millimeters from the top. Use the extruded cut feature and click OK. Lastly, apply a polished steel material for a better look. Now, let's move on to rendering. Head to the SolidWorks Add-in menu and choose Photo 360. In the Render tab, select the Preview window, and the rendering process will begin. And there you have it. Your 3D model is complete, and you've learned the process of creating it from scratch in SolidWorks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching.